how to start or restart running your Facebook ads in 2023. If you're a coach, consultant, or online course creator, you'll find this video very valuable because we're going to talk about what not to focus on and not to waste your money and energy on. We'll talk about what to focus on and how to actually go about starting your ads. My name is Julia Storek. I'm a Facebook ads strategist and the creator of the Business Amplifier course, a foundational course for coaches, consultants, and online course creators designed to help them generate leads and sales with Facebook ads. So what should you not focus on when starting or restarting running your ads in 2023? First off, do not create a crazy retargeting sequence where you are retargeting a portion of the people you've retargeted before and it goes on and it gets just too complicated. That doesn't work in 2023. I'm not saying not to retarget, I'm just saying keep it simple. Second, do not worry about buying expensive filming equipment or creating a highly produced set. For example, what I'm using right now is just a colored wall in my home, just my home surroundings, my window as a source of light. I also have an additional source of light, a softbox light, a pair of them actually. So you could invest in that if you have about 40, 60 extra dollars that you'd like to invest in it. And honestly, that and this little thing is all you need. This little thing is a lapel microphone. It'll help you have a better quality sound. Actually, another thing that I find very helpful for filming is actually this little tripod / selfie stick. It holds my phone. I film reels with it. I can film ads with it. It costs $10 and I got so much use of it. It's unbelievable. And with that, you're good to go to film your ads. Finally, do not focus on immediate ROI. If you're just starting or restarting your ads, give yourself at least 3 months to test things out. Just like you wouldn't be looking for a six-pack here after going to the gym 2 times. Same with Facebook ads. Results take time. And these were the 3 things not to focus on if you're starting to run your ads in 2023. What should you actually focus on when starting or restarting running your Facebook ads in 2023? The most important thing is developing a great offer to promote with your Facebook ads and testing multiple offers with your ads if necessary. The offer is what makes or breaks any marketing, and Facebook ads are no exception. Point number 2 of what to focus on. Study. Study, my friend. Actually know how Facebook ads work. Make sure you know how to research your audience, how to target the right people on Facebook, how to create a quality ad creative, and how to optimize your ads. Because let me tell you, that's where the real key to Facebook ad success is. I have a brand new online course on everything that you need to know when it comes to Facebook ads, and so that you can run ads successfully even if you've never run them before. So you can take my course, you can take any other educational resources out there online, but make sure that you have your foundations covered when it comes to Facebook ads. Point number 3 of what to focus on is growing your email list consistently. A little bit of effort adds up to a lot over time, and that's going to make both your live and evergreen launches that much bigger. Once those people join your list, we come to point number 4 of what to focus on. That is nurturing those people and also selling to them consistently and regularly and early before they forget who you are and what they signed up for, because they say money is in the list, but the money is not in the list unless you sell to that list. Finally, you've guessed it, retargeting. I wouldn't leave that off the list. Make sure that you have some retargeting ads in place that help you get in front of your ideal customers over and over again, so they actually have a chance to notice your offer, consider it from multiple different angles, and then finally buy from you. How to start running Facebook ads right now in 3 easy steps. Number 1, pick an offer that sells or be willing to lose money. I get very unpopular when I talk about this, but it's the truth. Facebook ads only amplify what's already happening organically with the offer. So if it's an offer that doesn't sell on its own, or it's an offer that's never been offered to the market before, that's what you'll have with your Facebook ads. And it's not a bad thing, just be ready for it. Step number 2, You've got your offer, you've got your funnel, start driving leads to that funnel. Make sure that you use lead form ads on Facebook. They're very cost effective right now, very easy to set up, and you get way more retargeting opportunities with the lead form ads. Finally, step number 3 is set up some retargeting ads and put your paid offer in front of all the people who have opted in for your free offer. Yes, they may have seen it from the email sequence, but yes, the ads are still going to be beneficial and will convert your people. I cover all of these 3 steps in depth in my online course, Business Amplifier, which is designed to help coaches, consultants, and online course creators generate leads and sales with Facebook ads. If you're ready to massively uplevel your Facebook ads skills in 2023, my course is the place to be. Check it out. The link is in bio.